Welcome to Health Talk, your trusted source for health and wellness tips. In our previous episode, we talked about the causes of vaginal dryness, especially during sexual intercourse. If you are yet to see the video, simply check for the link in the description below. Today, let's dive into talk about natural ways to manage vaginal dryness. First up, staying hydrated. Drinking enough water daily helps maintain overall hydration, including in your vaginal tissues. It is recommended to have at least 8 glasses of water every day to keep your body balanced. Next, adjust your diet. Include foods rich in phytoestrogens, like soy products, flax seeds, and chickpeas. These can help balance hormones naturally. Also, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, walnuts, and flaxseed are great for tissue health. Add vegetables and fruits to your diet. These help maintain your overall body health, which also translates to good vaginal health. Choose natural lubricants. For immediate relief, natural lubricants like coconut oil or aloe vera gel can be used. These are gentle, chemical-free options that provide instant comfort. Just make sure they're pure and unscented. Practice pelvic floor exercises. Kegel exercises are another great tip. These strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, improving blood flow to the vaginal area and enhancing natural lubrication. Managing stress is crucial. High stress levels can affect your hormones and lead to vaginal dryness. Practices like yoga, mindfulness, or even taking a few moments to relax can make a big difference. Take care of irritants. Avoid irritants like scented soaps, bubble baths, or douches. These can disrupt the natural environment of the vaginal area, making dryness even worse. Now, if vaginal dryness persists despite these natural tips, it could mean that there is a health condition you need to pay attention to. Consult your healthcare provider to rule out underlying health conditions so as to get prompt treatment. Remember, no matter what it takes, taking care of your health is always worth it. Did you find this video helpful? Appreciate by hitting the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.